Good evening, everyone. We just finished our classes and now we're heading to the rain room. And actually, Fatma talked about it in her feature article. You can visit the website and read it.
Well, so we're heading to the rain room when it's gonna rain.
Rain outside.
So I don't think it's clear, but the weather is cloudy.
It's so nice.
Let's hope it rains. So we just reached the rain room. Let's hope we find tickets for both of us.
Yeah, because it's always sold out.
Yeah, and you can also find, you can bring your student ID for a discount. And
Yes.
it's 15 dirhams.
Yes, and that's really good.
Yeah.
See you there.
So we just booked some tickets, but after
It's after 1 hour.
yeah.
5:45 and now it's 4:45.
Yeah, so it's better that you book online. You can book from their website or call them.
Yeah.
And that's it. We're gonna wait. We're gonna go get our coffee,
Yes.
and we will chill. We will maybe work on some projects.
It's very windy.
Yeah.
The weather is amazing.
The weather is so
Yeah.
amazing.
It's okay, we can wait for 1 hour.
Yeah.
So we just ordered mocha from a place nearby, near the rain room. It's called Chai Bil Fakhar. Let's hope it's yummy. So now it's 5:45. We're gonna head inside and we're gonna show you guys.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yes.
So we're at the rain room. We should stay away from each other, and we should move slowly so we don't get wet. What do you feel about the Jawahar?
So amazing, and I don't know how they did this.
Yeah.
Sensor is motion or move. So we had a great experience, and there is a spotlight inside that you can take pictures in front of. You can bring your camera, your phone, whatever you want to take pictures with, and it will not get wet.
Yeah, and you have to remember that you have to move slowly so the sensor can detect your
Movement.
Yeah, and that's it. It was a wonderful experience.
You
It
should
only
come and
lasted
try
for 10 minutes, so I
Yeah.
wish it was like maybe 15 minutes.
Yeah, because you know it's hard to get the right pose.
Yeah.
We need time.
Yeah. It was a wonderful experience. You guys should come visit the rain room. It's near the beach, Sharjah Beach. What else?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
And for sure we're gonna come back here. It's really a great experience. And don't
The
forget.
price was really good. I think
Yeah.
it's only 15, so you guys should come.
Yes, and don't forget your student ID if you're gonna come here as students. And also visit our website to read our articles and leave a like and subscribe. Go to our Instagram to see our posts.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.